examining it. That footage is real or fabricating. Now we are observing it, and as where the state government is doing, the preparative who killed Anand, we arrested. Not saying only words. Lemna tharoi is not only words. We arrested, and we book. We penetrated to the enemy zone, and similarly in this the two incidents which has happened in Outlook 1 and Ningthau, it's very highly condemnable. Targeting to the civilian is a cowardly act. Let us see. We are not taking any decision now. The meeting will continue. Today also, just right from the 12:30, we'll be sit together and we will take some concrete decisions so that we have to protect our people. We have to protect the state. We cannot compromise at sudden. We cannot compromise everything. Who will hand over? To whom will we hand over the administration? We have to think of it also, because people have suffered. And this particular matter, we should not play politics, and we should not listen to the vested interested people's voice. We should see the concrete, and we should see it positively for the generation. Emotion resign to resign to तौदबी यादव मथांग लागे सिम तौनी करी नो हाइबसी प्रजा से कमाइने मेनली प्रजा की लाइफ की कंसर्न कना त सिदेन पनि कानुना लैरि गाइस को अदु कुन नैनरी तौरक पसु याइ तौरक तबसु याइ but we are serious. In some area some agitation, confrontation might take place, but as a whole we have to take up development works. Thus we have started Go to Hills 2.0. The second cabinet meeting was held in Sandel. First cabinet meeting was held in Ukrul. The third cabinet meeting will be held in Tamil Nadu. Thus we are preparing for that. Development will not stop at any cost.